Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy seafood stock. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of seafood shells, such as shrimp, lobster, or crab. Also, prepare 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks, all roughly chopped. Don't forget a few sprigs of fresh parsley and 2 bay leaves. Finally, have 8 to 10 cups of cold water ready to go. Now, let's get everything ready for cooking. First, give your seafood shells a good rinse under cold water to remove any impurities. Next, roughly chop your onion, carrots, and celery into 1-inch to 2-inch pieces. In a large stock pot, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add your chopped vegetables and sauté them for about 5 minutes until they begin to soften. Then, add the rinsed seafood shells to the pot. With all your ingredients in the pot, it's time to extract those wonderful flavors. Pour in about 8 to 10 cups of cold water, ensuring everything is fully submerged. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat, avoid a rolling boil. As it simmers, you might see some foam rise to the surface. Simply skim this off during the first 10 minutes. Let your stock simmer uncovered for at least 30 minutes or up to 1 hour for optimal flavor. You're almost done. Once your stock has simmered sufficiently, carefully remove the pot from the heat. Place a fine mesh sieve over a large bowl or another pot and slowly pour the entire contents through it. Discard all the cooked solids as their flavor has now been fully extracted. Allow the rich, clear seafood stock to cool completely to room temperature. Then, transfer it to airtight containers. You can refrigerate it for up to 3 days or freeze it for up to 3 months.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.